Hi, I'm Allison with Meritech, and welcome to the Hygiene Revolution. Your company made the excellent decision to partner with us because they value hygiene and wanted to take matters in their own hands, literally. So what does this mean? Instead of using a sink to wash your hands, you'll be using a CleanTech automated hand washing system. Most people describe the experience of using CleanTech as a massage for your hands. Now, maybe you haven't seen or used our systems before. Not to worry. I'll walk you through how to use them, and don't be scared. Our systems have been around for over 30 years and are used by hundreds of thousands of people every day, even children. Using the CleanTech system is as easy as counting to 12. Simply walk up to the systems, push up your sleeves, and place your hands in the cylinders, palms down and fingers spread. The motion of your hands entering the cylinders will automatically trigger the photo eye, starting the 12-second hand wash. Now, just relax and let the system do all the work. Leave your hands placed in the center of the cylinders and enjoy the feeling of 40 nozzles washing your hands and removing more than 99.9% of dangerous pathogens. How does Meritech provide the perfect hand wash? Our CleanTech systems are clinically tested with our ultra-pure hand hygiene solution. UltraPure has been specifically formulated over 35 years to protect the integrity of the CleanTech system, ensuring effective pathogen removal while also enhancing skin condition. UltraPure is made without fragrances or dyes and includes added moisturizers to keep your hands healthy. The most important thing to remember, well, besides putting your hands in, is to leave them in until the water stops. This ensures all the hygiene solution is rinsed from your hands and you receive a fully effective wash. Just like you wouldn't stop washing your hands at a sink without rinsing off the soap, the same thing applies here. And that's it. No singing happy birthday twice or having to follow a 12-step process for an effective wash. By using CleanTech systems, you are committing to your organization's exceptional hygiene standards and contributing to better health and safety. Happy hand washing!